Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play Store in iPhone, the updated version. So, first thing, open your settings, then select battery and make sure lower power mode is off. Okay, after that, just scroll down to the apps here, then search for Safari. Then scroll all the way down until you find Advanced and make sure Block All Cookies is off. If it's on, turn it off. After that, open your Safari, search for this website, then you will find Google Play Plus Plus here. Just click on it and follow the instructions. After that, you should have your Google Play Store downloaded on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.